Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the some important NEET level questions on the basis of acidic nature of alcohols and phenol. First one will discuss about the 2017 NEET question they asked on the basis of acidic nature of phenol. So, that example we'll discuss now. First one, they took phenol. Second one, paracresol. Third one, paranitrophenol. And fourth one, picric acid. Fourth one is picric acid. So this is the 2017 NEET question. Question is that in the given option, which of the following is most acidic? Which of the following is most acidic? See, here you remember, by seeing these all compounds, most acidic compound is option 4. Why? Because picric acid, it has 3 NO2 group, 3 withdrawing groups are there. So that's why it's a very strong acid. If I want to tell, according to pKa value, its pK value 0.38 only. It's very low compared to these all 3 options. It's a very low. So that's why you remember, among these 4 options, most acidic nature of the option is picric acid. Okay, and here I want to tell another one important point. Picric acid acidic nature is higher than acetic acid and benzoic acid also. That point to remember, acetic acid and benzoic acid also. Okay, right. So from this question you got the answer. Next, for example, this by taking this option only, write the increasing order of acidic character if they ask. Why? Because by seeing these options, we will think the question about the question by different way. So same question if they ask, write the increasing order of acidic character. Now tell me, first one you got the answer. Fourth one is the highest acidic nature. Now see here, phenol, paracresol, paranitrophenol. In these 3 compound, more acidic is option 3. Why? Because one NO2 withdrawing group is there. So answer 3. Then after paracresol or phenol. So paracresol, CH3 electron donating group is present. So electron donating groups are present, acidic nature decreases. So that's why compared to paracresol, phenol is more acidic character. So 1 and 2. Okay, so sometimes they will ask order also. So one more example we'll discuss now here. See, one AIMS question they asked. So write the increasing order of acidic nature of given compound. So that one we'll discuss now. First one they took water, second one ethanol, third one phenol, and fourth one paranitrophenol. 4 options they took. What they are asking? Write the increasing order of acidic nature. This is once they asked in AIMS exam. 2017 only AIMS exam. So now tell me. So anyhow you choose the correct answer. Compared to these 4 options, nitro group is present. So this is the more acidic. Yesterday already we discussed it. Compared to alcohol, phenols are more acidic character. So phenols are more acidic compared to alcohol. So in these 2 phenols, NO2 withdrawing group is there. So that's why which is a more acidic character. So that's why 4th greater than. Then after third. Then after, here you remember very important thing. in between water and ethanol. I am telling special ethanol only. Ethanol. So you know what is the meaning of ethanol? This is a sewage alcohol, which is used in beverages like that. Okay. So in between water and ethanol, water only more acidic character. That point to remember. So water then ethanol. So this is the increasing order of acidic character. Increasing order. What is it? Acidic nature. So once they asked in AIMS exam. So next, some more example. They will ask like this. Every time they won't ask acidic character. The question by giving option only, the raising of question is different manner they will ask. For example, one more. First one, I am taking here phenol. Second one, picric acid. Third one, benzoic acid, and fourth one, benzene sulfonic acid. Once they ask about this question, in the given four option, which of the following insoluble in sodium bicarbonate? See, which of the following is insoluble in sodium bicarbonate? See, strong acids are soluble in sodium bicarbonate. Okay, already you know the one example, acetic acid. Acetic acid dissolved in the sodium bicarbonate to liberate the carbon dioxide gas. The question they are asking like this: in which of the following option, which of the following is insoluble in sodium bicarbonate? They are asking. So to soluble sodium bicarbonate, the compound should be more acid. Mean weak acid only, it is not soluble. So indirectly they are asking which of the following is weak acid. Tell me, got the answer? So among these four options, weak acid is picric acid only, benzoic acid only. See, its pKa value 4.20. So this is the benzene sulfonic acid. It's a very powerful acid. And weak acid among these four options, phenol. Okay. Sometimes by taking these options only, they are raising the question like this: which of the following option does not liberate the carbon dioxide? Does not liberate the carbon dioxide with sodium bicarbonate. Okay, these all questions are they will raise on the basis of acidic nature only, but way of asking question is changes. So then also answer is 1. Got the answer. Next, we'll discuss about the one more example. Here you see, I am taking 2-chloroethanol. Second one, phenol. Third one, paracresol. Fourth one, see, parachlorophenol. So for this option also they are asking which of the following is highest. See, the question they will ask, just yesterday I told you, just to remember here, pKa value is inversely proportional to acidic nature. So for this option they are asking, the question is that which of the following is low pKa value? They are asking like this, low pKa value. So low pKa value means the compound is more acid. Choose the answer in the given four option. Which of the following is more acid? Okay. See, first one, this is the alcohol. Anyhow, chlorine withdrawing group is there. Alcohols are less acidic than phenols. Okay. So that's why here phenol, paracresol, and parachlorophenol. So in these three options, which of the following electron withdrawing group is there? There Okay, acidic nature increases. When acidic nature increases, its pK value is low. Correct or not? But some students are, they will confuse here. That point to remember, everyone. Okay, this option is that, sir, everyone, when chlorine attaches to the benzene, which is act as a plus or effect, otherwise plus effect, which can donate the electron, they will think like that. It's 100% wrong. Okay, so actually, when other electron donating groups are there on benzene, chlorine absolutely act as a electron withdrawing group only. See, here oxygen is electron donating group. So already one electron donating group present on benzene. Here chlorine absolutely act as a electron withdrawing group only. So here minus I effect it will be work. So that's why in the given 4 option, fourth one is lowest pK value. Okay, so on the basis of acidic nature of, so these type of questions we'll discuss. The last final one question. Here I am taking CH3CH2OH ethanol, second one phenol, third one, and last one I am introducing here ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, just to see here. Okay. For this question only, I want to explain about for this question, which of the following is lowest pK value? Lowest pK value, just to remember. Okay, here the new point is introduced. Sir, we are carboxylic acid, acidic nature, we are comparing with the phenols. Correct or not? So that's why in the given 4 option, which of the following lowest pK value? So here one doubt it will be raised. Phenols are more acidic and acetic acid is more acidic. Okay. Some different authors of books they are mentioned like this. So phenol more resonance stabilized after removal of proton. So that's why phenol is more acid. They will mention like that. So acetic acid it exhibits only 2 resonance structure. Weak acid they will mention like that. Okay. But you remember, my dear children, here compared to phenols, carboxylic acid more acidic character. More acidic character. Why? Because phenol's pKa value it's a 10 only, but acetic acid pKa value is 4.76. So among these 4 options, carboxylic acid is more acidic character. Okay, so don't get any confusion. Okay, thank you very much.